let's talk about the vessels in our lymphatic system, because there's more than one type of vessel. There's actually lots of structures, but let's talk about 4 of them today. You're also going to see my amazing artwork and why I shouldn't be a therapist and I should really be an artist and auction off my art for millions of dollars, because that's what that's worth. All right. Your capillary vessels are the smallest lymphatic vessels in your body. And all these green dots I have throughout here are just skin cells. The goal is for you to understand that these red lines are capillary vessels, and it's kind of like a spider web in your skin, in your interstitial spaces. And the goals of your capillary vessels are to absorb excess fluid that's hanging out in our skin that should not be there. So it goes into the lymphatic capillary vessels, and this is where your pump and MLD are starting to help move fluid. Once it's in the capillaries, it finds these pre-collectors. Pre-collectors, these are these 4 red lines. You have, God only knows how many, but you have a group of lymphatic capillaries that all drain to one pre-collector, and all these pre-collectors then enter into collectors. Pre-collector is collecting for the collector. So once that fluid is in the collector, then it starts its way towards lymph nodes. It's starting to move through the body. So capillaries and pre-collectors are just taking fluid that's in our skin and bringing it deeper into the body till we get to larger vessels known as collectors, where then it heads towards lymph nodes, and the lymph nodes kill any viruses, bacteria, cancer cells that might be part of that fluid, so we don't get sick. Remember, your lymphatic system is your immune system for your body. It has a purpose, not to get you sick. That's its purpose. The collectors then, these larger vessels, they then turn into, or they don't turn into, they connect to trunks, which are very large, still very, very small, but very large lymphatic vessels. And what the trunks are doing are taking a massive amount of fluid, relative, towards back into the circulatory system. So your thoracic duct connects right here in your cistern chyli or chyli, and that duct runs through your diaphragm and then turns into your subclavian vein. That's a trunk. You have a jugular trunk, major lymphatic vessels coming out of the neck. You have your subclavian trunk, which is under the collarbone, which is why we stimulate the collarbone. You also have a trunk above the collarbone. So that's why when I teach manual lymphatic drainage, I'm telling people to find the collarbone and put your hand all the way across it so you're both up and below it, so you're getting more stretch. But it's not rocket science. No, it's literally not. Capillaries collect the fluid, pre-collectors bring it into collectors, the collectors bring it through the lymph nodes for sterilization, and then the trunks move it from body area to body area, working it back through the vascular system. Hopefully that helps understand a little bit more about the vessels within the lymphatic system.